Hey, little ones, come on outside. It's feeding time, and I've got something tasty waiting for you.
Yes, boss, we're on our way. We're super hungry and can't wait to eat.
A few moments later.
Oh, wow. I just spotted something that looks absolutely gorgeous over here. Look at this, a whole bunch of yummy fruit to munch on all by myself. What a delicious surprise.
A few minutes later.
Hey, buddy, I'm missing one of the sheep. Do you know where she wandered off to?
No, I really don't know where she went. She just kind of disappeared. Okay, this time we should look for her on our own and spread out so we can find her faster. Thank you, boss. You really helped me out and saved my wool just in time.
A few moments later.